Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the view to unread messages in Outlook. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application on your computer and log into your account. Once you're logged in, wait for your emails to load completely so you can see your inbox and all your messages displayed on the screen. Now that your emails have loaded, we're going to set up a dedicated view for your unread messages. Look towards the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see several menu tabs up there, and you need to find the one labeled Folder. Go ahead and click on it to open the folder menu. This menu contains various options for organizing and managing your email folders in Outlook. Once the folder menu opens, the first thing we need to do is create a special folder specifically for your unread messages. In the folder menu, look for a section called New. This section allows you to create different types of folders and organizational tools. From here, click on New Search Folder. This will open a new window with various search folder options that help you automatically organize your emails based on specific criteria. In the new search folder window that appears, you'll see several categories. Look for the section labeled Reading Mail, and under this section you'll find an option called Unread Mail. Click on it to select it. This option automatically filters and displays only the emails you haven't read yet, making it much easier to stay on top of your inbox. Before proceeding, make sure to choose the email account you want to create this unread message view for if you have multiple accounts connected to Outlook. Once you've selected the Unread Mail option and confirmed your email account, click OK to create the folder. After clicking OK, Outlook will create your new unread folder, and you'll see it appear under the Search Folders section in your folder list on the left side of the screen. Click on this newly created unread folder to select it and view all your unread messages in one place. Now that you've selected your unread folder, it's time to customize how these messages are displayed. Look at the top menu tabs again and locate the View tab, which should be right beside the Folder tab you clicked earlier. Click on View to open the View Options menu. From here, click on Change View. This will reveal different viewing options for displaying your unread messages. You'll see several view options including Compact, Single, and Preview. Each view style displays your emails differently, so you can choose whichever layout works best for you. Compact shows more emails in a condensed format, Single displays one email at a time with full details, and Preview gives you a middle ground with a reading pane. Simply click on your preferred view option to apply it to your unread messages folder, and that's it. You've successfully set up a dedicated unread messages folder in Outlook with your preferred view style. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.